This morning, with the stove out of commission, I'm making a frittata in the oven. It's my usual no-flip frittata, but instead of starting it on the stove, which malfunctioned and we had to turn the gas off to the stove, I just put the leftover rigatoni and a 16-ounce carton of egg whites. After I had heated this pan in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes with some oil in it, I poured the rigatoni and the carton of egg whites plus some diced tomatoes. So I have it at 450 degrees, and going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. It looks like the bottom is nicely cooked. You can see the oil bubbling. So I've taken the frittata out of the oven and added the Parmesan. Go back in for a few minutes under the broiler. I've been using oven heat and broiler heat to make this frittata. Okay, so now the Parmesan, grated Parmesan is nicely melted. Going to be added some grated crushed red pepper, crushed red Aleppo pepper, and some organic chopped parsley. So to recap, fill up a takeout container like this. Is about 4 cups of leftover pasta. In this case, I used rigatoni and a tomato sauce with a can of cannellini beans pureed. Jimmy Kimmel's pastatina recipe with tomato sauce. And then I poured that into the pan, which was preheated in the oven, with some oil on the bottom. And then, as you can see, added the Parmesan cheese. Here's the organic chopped parsley. Enjoy.